What's up guys, welcome to Odd Tips. In today's video I'm going to share with you 5 tips to help you with values. Value or tone is how light or dark something is, and it concerns the range of black and white. Having good values in a painting will give a good sense of 3D form, and bad values will make an image look flat or 2D. No matter what colours you put on top, if your values don't work, it won't fix the structure of your image. When you start blocking out your values, it can help to limit your value range to only 2, maybe 3 values. A mid-range, a shadow and a highlight value. You can squint your eyes to blur the image and see if it's working. You might be tempted to use the entire range of black to white, but if you actually limit your overall range, it'll help out a lot. Avoid using extreme dark and extreme light. You can use these later on for focus parts or detail. Stay zoomed out at first. Focus on the larger forms. Then you can gradually zoom in and add more detail. The higher the range of values, the less contrast there is. You can use high contrast areas to give your piece a focus and low contrast areas to give people's eyes a rest. If you want to check the values of your painting at any point, you can put a layer filled with black on top of your painting. You can set the mode to color, saturation or hue, and that'll give you a black and white version of your image. So those were 5 quick tips on values. I hope they could help. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember to follow for weekly art videos. Thanks for watching.